Hello, welcome to Python tutorial from scratch. In this video we will learn about numeric data types in Python. Numeric data types are classified into integers, long integers, floating point, complex numbers. Integers include 0 all whole numbers, both positive and negative. Example 0 plus 1-1. Any integers which are greater than 2 power 31 minus 1 are called long integers. Floating point numbers are number with decimal points. Complex numbers have both real imaginary parts. Example 1 plus 2j. Let us see the examples for all these numbers in console. Thank you. See you in next video. Do like, share, subscribe and support.